And what then do you think the harms would be when the subject spoken about without knowledge affects not only people's lives, but also affects their afterlife? Allah Ta'ala surrounded His religion with a number of protective barriers to safeguard it from addition and omission. The aforementioned are transgressions. They are crimes against the Sharia, against Allah and His Messenger, as none has the right to ascribe to Allah or to His Messenger any words which they did not reveal or speak of respectively. It is for this reason that Allah Ta'ala and His Messenger forbade people and warned them from speaking in the matters of the religion without knowledge, or put succinctly as we will speak about today, giving fatwa without knowledge. It's necessary to highlight the dangers of doing so, not just for those who may potentially follow them, but also for these people speaking without knowledge, to highlight to them the hazardous path which they have chosen for themselves, which will lead to disgrace in this life before the akhirah.